Myntri ketenat pule puthi rakam sangma hakesngi bar ulapan pau ya kejing Sngewkhia halo kejing bamdon kisamla ke Jylla iban pas ya ke exam civil service hau jemang arjar pulai usamla na shlong swapnil bhata charya ulawan rak nam ya ke Jylla dak bapas ya ke exam civil service bala pelong dak UPSC ubhata charya ulawan hakakerdan balai pas haposau na baro kinong yakun ya ke exam hapo kari.
Look, this civil service, examination, like the results just come out, and none of the Meghalans has been come out again this year. So this is a matter of concern, and in 50 years, it's very unfortunate. But like there may be a reason where we have gave, where we have left behind. So I think this is a really wake up call for the governance, for the institutions, for the academicians, for the young people of Meghalaya. We still believe the Meghalaya students we are second to nobody. But however, what is happening, the trend is very, very grim for us. If Meghalaya fail to produce, fail to produce civil service candidates in their future, it will be a dark future for the state. Therefore, I think I would request the young, brilliant people of our state, the children's young peoples. I think, like our thinking, I think the we should have a self motivation. Maybe the curriculum, the syllabus, the institution, the quality of our institution, the quality of our teachings might be the issue. But here, to me, the minds of our young people not well connected with the national standard, both physically and mentally. So I think as a students, as a institutions, our students must get connected well with the national and the international standard, both physically as well as mentally prepared to face the challenges. Because the entrance examination, like the national level, right? I don't know where we have went wrong, but I think it's time to reignite ourselves. That I'm second to nobody, and we should have reignite ourselves. This is what I feel. Government has, of course, government is supporting with scholarship, with civil service training, like with the Mati here. So despite government efforts, government is trying its best, but I don't know where we are lagging behind. So I think it's a wake up call to everybody. Is government is trying its best with different programs, the different incentive. So many of the candidate has been landed in the MCS examination. Now, of course, we have not we have spent the money, but has been we have seen many MCS, brilliant MCS officers here right now in the state. But however, many of our boys could not crack to the UPSC examination for this few years. I think, but in the future, I'm sure Meghalaya will see somebody coming up again.